Laura drove 150 miles in 2 2/3 hours, which happens to be 2 hours and 40 minutes. I guess I could have made us go figure that out, which would have been kind of fun. Maybe we'll do that. What was Laura's average speed in miles per hour? I wanted to show you this problem because a lot of times you're asked for rates, which look something like this, miles per hour. The word per is in there, very key. In this kind of a situation, per means divide. Other kind of situations are, say you're asked for miles per gallon, or how many words can you type per minute, words per minute. These are all called rates, and when you're asked to find a rate, you're given this little phrase, miles per hour or whatever it is. It's basically telling you what to do. You need to take the miles divided by the hours. So in this case, the number of miles that Laura drove is 150. Per, divide, the hours. How many hours did she drive? 2 2/3 hours. Miles per hour. Miles divided by hours. Anytime you see that, something per something, that's a divide problem, and you do it in the exact order that it's given to you here. Miles per hour. Alrighty, let's solve this thing. Might as well do it in red. Okay, so we got 150, which is 150 over 1. Now this, I need to change to a fraction before I can flip it. So I'm going to keep this divide sign for one more step. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So 8/3. Now I'm going to flip it. So now I'm going to change it to a multiply. Don't change this divide to a multiply until you can take the reciprocal of your fraction after your divide. You might get messed up if you do it too early. Let's see, anything I can cancel. I got some 150. That's kind of a big number, but that's even. And 8 is even, so that means 2 goes into both of those. Let's just do 2 then and see what we got. We'll cancel in blue this time. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 150 divided by 2 is 75. Well, I think I'm done canceling because 4 is an even number and 3 and 75 are both odd, so I don't think we're going to be able to cancel anything else. So we got to do 75 times 3. Let's see, that would be 225. Oh, I don't want that color. That's a weird color. 225 over 1 times 4 is 4. So now we got to do 225 divided by 4. So if you need to, you can go off to the side and basically do that division problem. So 4 goes into 22 5 times. Bring down the 5. 4 goes into 25 6 times. And so 1/4. So it looks like we've got 56 and 1/4. Now what was this again? What was Laura's average speed in miles per hour? So this is her speed in miles per hour. 56 and 1/4. That's getting very, very precise. So right around 56 miles per hour I think would be safe. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and hopefully you can start to see the types of problems where you have to divide fractions. So when you're given a whole bunch of different types of problems together, add, subtract, multiply, and divide, you'll be able to distinguish quickly which operation that you need to use.